How to add songs to your WhatsApp status. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on your device over here. As you launch the WhatsApp application, make sure you're logged into your account and then simply tap on the update section at the bottom of the screen. Here select on the add status option, and as you do that you can see this option of camera, text, layout and voice, but there's no option to add songs to your WhatsApp status. So the only possible way around over here, what we can do is you can either use your voice to sing a song by yourself, or what you can do is you can just screen record the song and then you can use the camera to upload it, to put it on your status. So that's the only way right now we have. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.